Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of LSPDFR Troubleshooting. Today we're going to be going over the OIV install packs. Now the OIV install packs are the packs that you download from LSPDFR.com, and they are the packages that automatically install for you. Upside to that is you don't have to worry about where everything is going. It goes where it needs to go. You don't have to worry about messing up any of your files. The downside is if you have, let's say, a model vehicle that you want to put in a certain slot, and that OIV automatic installer has it set up as something else, you're kind of stuck. So what we're going to do today is we're actually going to edit those OIV automatic install packs to put it into a slot that you want. So let's get right into it. It's not too complicated as long as you follow along. Really easy to do. Let's get right into it. Let me get my OBS out of the way here. Okay, so I'm going to be doing it on this particular model. This model right here is not ELS. This is a non-ELS model, but I picked it because I knew for a fact that it included an automatic installer. So this is BX-Bugs 2011 Crown Vic. Great models. I absolutely love them. But the problem is I wanted this particular model for my police slot, and this one is made and coded for the sheriff slot. All right, so first things first, if you happen to find yourself with an automatic install OIV file for your model, let's go ahead and download it real quick. I had it downloaded earlier, but I think I moved it out of the file. Let's go ahead and just start this. So, if you've never done this before, when you download an OIV file and you put it onto your desktop, let's get this out of here. I just want to drag this over. Okay. So, when you actually drag this over, actually, I don't think this in itself is the OIV file, so we're going to go ahead and open that. Oh, yep, here we go. Okay, so here's the OIV package installer. So, all right, we'll do, yep, blue and blue. Okay, we'll put that to the side for now, because I don't think any of this stuff is actually relevant to the install. No, it's not. Okay, we can close that out. So when you first want to edit an OIV file, if you've never done so before, it's not going to look like this. It's not going to look like this icon for the WinRAR. It's probably going to be like a little page or something. What you're going to want to do is just right-click and then open with, and then you can just, you might have to search for it. It's not going to be popping up right here, but you want to open it with WinRAR. So once you're able to do that, just double-click to open it. And this is actually the automatic install. Yes, I know. All right. Okay. All right, so once we get in here, we got the content. We've got the vehicle files, which are your actual models. And then we've got your data files, and we'll get into this after we do the models. So models, the models are really nothing different than what you would normally do. You would just, well, I'm not even going to bother doing that. So you can just rename them in here. So let's say you want to do police. Rename. You guys get the idea. So rename everything to the slot that you want to put it in. Just make sure that when you're renaming these files, like right here, do not take off that plus high and the underscore high right there. So just make sure that you're leaving those in there so you don't screw up your model and have it look funky or not work. That's probably what's really going to happen. So once all those are changed, really simple stuff. Let's see here. BX-Bugs config. Get out of here. Okay. Nothing in this file needs to change. Nothing in the config file needs to change. So basically what you're going to be looking for in all of these files is you want to look for sheriff, because sheriff in your vehicle files no longer exists. So I think the carcals, you don't have to do anything with the carcals. Car variations, sheriff. So you want to change this to police. I'm going to change it to police and save it. That's done. Sure. Okay. DLC text.meta, you do not have to change any of this stuff. Now, this is the main one to set up right here. If you don't set up, edit your setup to.xml, it's not going to load. So let's disregard my last. Disregard my last. This one you don't have to change. There's a second setup that you have to change, and it's right here. I'm sorry. It's not the setup. It's the assembly XML. I apologize. I was incorrect on that. So it's not the setup.xml. It's the assembly.xml. So basically, this is just all the coding to read what is in the package. So we're going to scroll down here, and as you can see, we're looking for sheriff right here. Got to change all that, because if I try to do it right now, let me get OpenIV. I'll show you what happens. The best part about this is if you do it incorrectly, it's just not going to install itself. So there's minimal risk. Minimal risk. So yeah, let's just go ahead and... Oh, I was like, where did it go? Okay. Okay, so like, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Since I haven't changed that assembly file yet, if I try to do a package install... Yep. It's going to fail. Yep. It says some files are missing in the package archive. If that happens, don't worry. Go back and recheck your stuff and make sure everything is named correctly. So the reason it's saying the installation failed because files are missing is because it's trying to read files that are no longer there. Because these sheriff files are now labeled as police files. Actually, so let me pull this out real quick. We're going to edit in Notepad++. If you don't have that program, I say it in every single video that I do, which is all of 3 for now. But every single video I hit on this program is pretty much a necessity for editing these XML and meta files and stuff. So we're going to come right in here. Police. Police. Oh, left that S in there. Now, the first time I did this, I actually got that error, and I was like, what in the hell did I do wrong? You've got to change these over here, too. Anywhere where there's a sheriff, you got to put police. So, police. I wish there was a fast way to do this. I'm sure there probably is. I could probably replace all sheriff with police, but that's all right. I'm not doing anything fancy right now. Okay, so once all these are saved as police and changed over, we're going to save that. Exit that out. Let's just delete this. All right, that's in there. Make sure it's the correct version. Police, 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 police. Yep. All right. We are good to go. So we're going to try it again. Package installer. Installation succeeded. All right, we are all set up. Now, uninstalling anything that you install with an OIV installer, like that automatic install, this package installer right here, you can't just delete it. Well, I'll take that back. It tells you that you have to uninstall to completely remove it. That's false. So for this one in particular, I'm running ELS right now, so I've actually got to get rid of that. What I just installed. Otherwise, it's gonna mess up. So let me see if I can remember exactly where to go here. No, wait. I think it's update. Yeah. Okay. So this one in particular is called BX Liberty 2. I want to get rid of that because I already have something installed in my police slot, and it's also ELS, whereas this one is not ELS. So in order for me to want to get rid of that, I just delete it. That's all I need to do. Just turn that on. BX Liberty, don't want it, delete. Oh, well, delete. And it's gone. That's it. That's all you have to do. Hopefully I covered everything in a way where you guys can understand it. If not, leave me a comment below. Ask any questions you want to. I'm trying to do these more often and more frequently, and I'm trying to hit on subjects that most people don't really hit. I don't want to do like basic installs and stuff. There's a million videos out there for that. So I'm trying to hit up kind of off the wall and weird things about LSPDFR that you kind of have to dig around on the internet for. I just want to kind of make it more available for everybody. So anyways, having said that, guys, hopefully you learned something and you're able to manipulate your files a little bit better to where you're able to get things in the slots that you want them to go to. All right, guys. Till next time.